Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade on FXPro for beginners 2026. So in order to trade on FXPro, you need to do some things. For example, sign up, verify your identity, and also fund your account. However, for this tutorial, I will not be doing that, as the minimum that you need to deposit to fund your account is £100. So if you did want to fund it, you can go ahead and do this. Press deposit, and here you can either pay with Apple Card, Apple Pay, or input your details manually. However, once you've done that, you'll be able to trade with your real account. And then on the home page, if you scroll down, transactions history here, and also you can see your trading accounts, real and demo accounts. You can also add more trading accounts here, so the standard accounts or the FXPro Raw. And also here we can add demo accounts, so I will go ahead and do that. Go ahead and continue. Here we can pick the leverages and stuff like that. So that was my demo account created. Here on the fund, we can fund our account here. We have the discover window, so here we can see the news on specific trading signals like forex, crypto, stocks, indices, etc. Any economic events that will impact any markets. Market news here, and also analysis by FXPro, where I do analysis on specific charts. Also here we can see all of our trading settings and profile settings. So on trading, we can go ahead and at the top select the type of account that we want to use. So I'll be using my demo account for this. However, this works exactly the same real or demo account. The only difference is that it's not with real money. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and favorite specific markets. We have forex, stocks, metals, futures, etc. So go ahead and filter through all these. You can use this to search up here. As we can see, NASDAQ here. If we click on it, we can open it up, press favorite up there, and we can turn on notifications here. So when the price goes a certain percentage up or above, we can ask it to do an alert for us. So if we click enlarge, we will be able to see the chart enlarged. We can also change the custom time intervals here. We can also change the type of candles we see. And as you can see here, the selected trading terminal currently does not support additional indicators. So go ahead, go to profile trading settings. So let's go do that now. So go into profile, and then go to trading settings, and then click trading charts at the bottom, and then press trading view. After this, you can go back and it should be fixed. As you can see here, I can add all of the indicators on TradingView and integrate them onto the charts also. Here we can add some projections and lines like risk-reward ratios, which are very handy for planning out trades, working out your risk-to-reward ratio and your potential P&L win and loss. And here we can edit the trade size and lots. So for example, 0.2. And here we can select the order types from market, limit order, etc. And also here we can set take profit in terms of distance, profit, and price. So go ahead and do that. Then when you're placing your first trade, if your account has not been funded, it will give you the option to fund your demo account. So go ahead and do that, and that will allow you to be able to trade if you do not have the sufficient funds in your account required for that specific trade. And then we can redo our settings. Place your trade, press confirm buy, and then your trade will be executed onto the market for you. You can also click in the current trade, and we can set take profits and stop losses in real time during the trade. So here on the trading window, we can go ahead and view the active trades. If you go up to the top, press trades, and then here we'll have options to close the trades and also to edit the trade. You can press don't ask confirmation just so you can do a one-click cancellation or trade on your trades. And then here we have the history in which we can view all of the previous trading history that we have done with this account. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.